Hi there. Hmm. I'm good.
bro.
Work இல்லையா?
Work இல்ல இன்னைக்கு.
சூப்பர்.
நேத்து மட்டும் 2 ஈவல் ப்ரோ வரும்.
8 ஈவல் வாங்குனியா?
ஆ?
இன்னொன்னு வாங்குனியா?
2 ஈவல்.
நேத்து ஒன்று தான் வச்சிருந்தேன். நைட் வாங்குனியா? ஈவினிங் வாங்குனியா? அப்பா ஏன்டா ஈவினிங் ட்ரேட் பண்ண? வாங்கி வச்சிருந்ததுனால என்ன ட்ரேட் பண்றது? என்னாச்சு?
எவன் இவனோ எடுக்கிறது நான் சும்மா தெரியாம டிக்டாக் போனேன் ப்ரோ.
ம்.
லைவ்ல இருந்தானுங்க.
ம்.
அதுல பாக்கும்போது எனக்கு கிரீன் செட்டப் இருந்தது.
ம்.
போய் எடுத்து அடுத்த செகண்ட் 900 லாஸ் அடுத்து இன்னொரு ட்ரேடே முடிஞ்சு.
ம், 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 ம். இப்போ ஈவால் வச்சிருக்கியா இல்லையா?
ஆ?
ஈவால்
ஆ.
வச்சிருக்கியான்னு கேட்டேன்.
இவனா?
ஆ.
வாங்கிருக்கேன்.
இன்னொன்னா?
ஆமா. இன்னைக்கு $200 $300 மேக்ஸ் லாஸ் பண்ணலாம்.
இல்ல.
இல்ல $300 மேக்ஸ் லாஸ் இது டெய்லி லாஸ் லிமிட் செட் பண்ணிருக்கேன்.
300
இல்ல
ஆ
300 லாஸ் ஆச்சுன்னா பியூர் எடுத்துடலாம்.
ஏன்?
அவ்வளவுதான், அதுக்கப்புறம் அக்கௌண்ட் போயிடும்.
எவ்வளவு லாஸ் பண்ணிருக்க இது வரைக்கும்?
இப்போதைக்கு பஃபர் 1400 தான் இருக்கு.
1400 இருக்கு ப்ரோ.
ஆமா, $300 லாஸ் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா ஈஸியா நம்மளுக்கு வந்து $500 தான் பியூர் இருக்கு.
இல்ல நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னா இப்போ வந்து நீ ப்ளோ பண்றதுக்கு நீ எவ்வளவு பஃபர் இருக்கணும் அதை மட்டும் சொல்லு.
பியூர் எடுத்தாவா?
பியூர் எடுக்காம
1400 இருக்கு.
1400 கீழே போனாலும் எந்த அக்கௌண்ட் போயிடுச்சு. நீ வந்து அதெல்லாம் யோசிக்காம நீட்டா ட்ரீட் பண்ணு. ப்ளோலாம் பண்ண மாட்டேன். 2 லூசிங் ட்ரேட் தான் ஆயிருக்கு. 2 நாள் தப்பா ட்ரேட் பண்ணிருக்கேன், அவ்வளவுதான். அதனால ஒரு 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 நாள் பாசிட்டிவ் டிஸ்ட் எடுத்துட்டு வர முடியும். ஆனால் என்னன்னா இப்போ ஃபோர்ஸ் பண்ணாத உள்ள போனது எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் ட்ரேட் பண்ணி சென்ட் பண்ணாம கொஞ்சம் அதை ஹோல்ட் பண்ணி. ஏன்னா 1400 இருக்கு. ஒரு வினிங் ட்ரேட் 1% எடுத்துனா முடிச்சு பேக் டு ஃபார்ம். புரியுதா? பேக் டு எங்க விட்டு அந்த போய் தந்துடும் ஒரு வினிங் ட்ரேட். அதனால இப்போ போட்டு ரொம்ப ப்ரெஷர் பண்ணா எனக்கு வந்து கொஞ்சம் ட்ராடவுன் ஆச்சு, அக்கௌண்ட் கோவம் ஆயிருக்கு, மைண்ட் கொஞ்சம் அஃபெக்ட் ஆகுது. ஸோ ஈவேல் வச்சுருந்தீங்கன்னா ஈவேல் நீட்டாக ட்ரேட் பண்ணிட்டு அதை கொஞ்சம் கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் கொஞ்சம் பில்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. அப்புறமா அதை ட்ரேட் பண்ணுவாங்க. அதை எதுவுமே பண்ண தேவை. 2 அக்கௌண்ட் ப்ரோ. நீ வந்து 2 அக்கௌண்ட்டையுமே நம்ம டைம் ஃப்ரேம்ல இந்த டைம்ல அக்கௌண்ட் ட்ரேட் பண்ணி ப்ளோ பண்ணினா ஓகே ப்ரோ. ஈவன் எதுக்கு ட்ரேட் பண்ணுறேன் இப்போ ட்ரேட் நேற்றுக்கு சூப்பரான செட்டப் தெரியுமா? இது பாத்தியா மார்க்கெட்? நீ க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டு போயிட்ட. நீ ஆக்சுவலா மார்க்கெட் ஓப்பன்லேயே ட்ரேட் பண்ணி முடிச்சுட்டு போயிட்ட.
நேத்திக்கும் அதே தான் ப்ரோ இருக்கு. என்னோட டாப் டிக்ல வந்து ஸ்டாப் லாஸ் அடிச்சு டேக் ப்ராஃபிட் அடிச்சு
ப்ரோ. அந்த அக்குமுலேஷன் ஃபேஸ் என்கிட்ட எடுத்துட்டு புரியுதா உனக்கு? அந்த நேற்று டெய்லர் அங்கே இருக்குன்னா நான் ஒரு ஜூம் பண்ணி பார்க்குறேன். அந்த அக்குமுலேஷன் ஃபேஸ்ல என்கிட்ட எடுத்தவங்க அதை லைட்டா மேல ஸ்டாப் அடிச்சுட்டு அப்புறம் பிளே அவுட் ஆயிருக்கு பார்த்தியா? அதான் பிளே அவுட் ஆயிருக்கு. ஸோ அந்த மேனிபுலேஷனே பார்க்கணும். இல்லைன்னா திருப்பி ரீஎன்ட்ராகும், அவ்வளோதான். ஸ்டாப் பண்ணி வாங்கிட்டேன், வாங்கி மேலே போச்சு, திருப்பி சேஞ்ச் ஸ்டேட் கொடுத்து திருப்பி கீழே வரும். ஆனா ஆக்சுவலா அதை கீழே சூப்பரான பை பார்த்தியா? பக்கமான பை.
அது ரொம்ப மேல போச்சு.
அதுதான் ஆக்சுவலான ட்ரெண்ட். 1 hour parallel கேப்ல 15 minutes parallel கேப்ல டிஸ்கவுண்டட் பிரைஸ்ல கிளீன் இன்வெர்ட் கன்வர்ஷன். அது லைவ்ல பார்த்துட்டு தெரியும். பட் ஆனால் என்னோட அக்கௌண்ட் எல்லாத்தையும் லாக் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அந்த ட்ரேடை பிடிச்சிட்டேன். இந்த ட்ரேடு வந்து ஏன்னா என்னோட இது வந்து இது கிடையாது. இது வந்து பயந்து உட்காந்துருக்கேன். பட் ஆனால் இது கான்ஃபிடண்டா இருக்கு. ஆனால் எல்லா அக்கௌண்ட்டும் லாக் பண்ணி விட்டேன். எக்ஸ்பிரஸே லாக் பண்ண ட்ரேடே பண்ணாம கடுப்பா இருந்தது. ஐயோ நல்ல ட்ரேட் ஆயிடுச்சு. எடுத்த கையில எடுத்துட்டு உள்ள போய் பார்க்குறேன், கையில கரெக்டா எடுத்திருக்காங்க. அதான் பிரேக் பண்ணி அடி வாங்கிட்டு போயிட்டான். மேலே செல் பண்ணி அடி வாங்கிட்டான். நீ பண்ணதுதான். அதான் மார்க்கெட் வந்து தாய் வந்துச்சு. கீழையும் பை பண்ணி பிரேக் வாங்கிட்டான். அது நேரம் தாண்டி போச்சு.
சரி, நான் போய் லைவ் போடுறேன்.
பார்க்கலாம். டைம் ஆயிடுச்சு. 9:17 ஆயிடுச்சு.
காலையில எந்திரிக்கிறேன் 5:45 எந்திரிச்சேன். அஸ்தலாமே எந்திரிச்சேன். அதிசயமா இருந்தது. 6:30 பஸ் பிடிச்சிக்கலாம் அப்படியே படுத்துட்டேன் ப்ரோ. திரும்பி இல்ல எந்திரிக்கணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு எந்திரிச்சு போய் ஷவர்ல போய் நின்ன கோல்டு ஷவர்ல நிக்கவே வேணாம். இன்னைக்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருந்துச்சு. ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருந்துச்சு இன்னைக்கு காலைல.
எனக்கு டெய்லி அவ்வளவுதான் bro இருக்கு.
செம்ம ஃபைட் இன்னைக்கு காலையில எனக்குள்ளேயே செம சண்டை.
எந்திரிச்சிட்டே வரும்.
எந்திரிச்சிட்டு போய் தண்ணியில
அதான்
நின்னுட்டேன்.
பெரிய விஷயம் காலையிலே எந்திரிச்சு நேத்து வேற மழை பெஞ்சிட்டு இருந்துச்சு தெரியுமா? அதுவும் ஜிம்முக்கு போயிட்டு நல்ல விஷயம் சூப்பரான விஷயம் அது. ஆனா கன்சிஸ்டன்டா பண்ணணும். 2வது கால் இருக்கு டக்கு டக்குன்னு போறது பிரச்சனை இல்ல. பஸ் புடிச்சு நடந்து போயி அதெல்லாம் பெரிய விஷயம் தான். அங்க போய் நடந்து போயிட்டு சத்தியமா நான் பண்ணுவேனான்றது கஷ்டம் தான்.
சரி, நான் போய் live
ஓகேல. Okay, come to the market. Let's see what's going on here. So I think I share my screen or what? I don't think I share my screen, bro. Give me one sec. Give me one sec. I didn't share my screen so far. I knew that. Screen on, screen two. Screen one, screen two, just screen two. Screen one. Share. Okay. Screen share. Okay, I'll go. Close, hide it. Okay, fine. What's going on in daily time frame? We have 10 more minutes to 8 minutes for the market open. In daily time frame, as you can clearly see, the order flow is beautifully bullish. It's holding this order block holding. So that whatever the break, it's holding the price. As you can clearly see, it's respecting this price and still keep on going higher. So I expect from that time frame perspective, I expect the price to reach here. And I expect my draw liquidity should be here. So these are my draw liquidity from high time frames, right? All good. That's a nice push, nice close to the upside. Let me see, is there any value I'll get created in lower time frame? 4 minutes, unfortunately not. Nice drop of Friday, I guess. Jan 2 Friday, nice drop. Then it's keep on record because this is a key level. Like this is a breaker, right? This is a breaker. And price gives some nice reaction. Drop low, take this liquidity, then it's keep on going higher. And it gives some sort of reaction around this point. You clearly know why, because this is where the change in the state happened. So give some reactions, but it's not failed to, but it failed to push down. Instead, accumulated here, swept the recently formed liquidity, drop all, start to trade all the way up to this point. So the 10 o'clock open, what happened is the 10 o'clock open manipulating lower all the way towards this break. This is where the body gets break and close up, right? The 10 o'clock candle will open up, close off, trade all the way down, swept, tap this breaker, then it's go all the way up and take this buy side. Beautiful price action for yesterday. Nice price action. And let's drop lower. Okay, all good. And this is where it get breaks. Now it's drop lower. So I expect higher prices. I'm expecting higher prices, but I need to see where I need to be focused on. Like yesterday, how I expect this is the place that I can expect the price to go high, draw higher. Like that I need to plan. But this is where it's currently. This is where the connected price is expecting. This is where it's break, drop all the way down, respecting this space. So we can expect at least this side to take. There's also some sort of internal high. But this is one internal high. This is 1, 2, and this is a major liquidity pool. So these are all my buy sides. When it comes to sell side, I need to mark it in 4 hours, 1 hour. What is my sell side here? So please go all the way up, take this buy side, good thing, and drop all the way down, respecting this 1 hour fair value gap. So we can expect the draw should be at least this, right? So I just want to mark down this fair value gap first, at the 1 hour fair value gap, and you can clearly see the body stayed above the consequent encroachment, just tap the consequent encroachment, start to trade higher. You can expect the price to reach here. The probability of that, right? Major liquidity taken, drop down, and take respect here at the break, and also at the fair value gap. Consequent encroachment getting tapped and start to trade higher. Let me check. So, and it's you can clearly see there is nothing inside this range, so we can clearly expect this high to take. And after this, most probably it will sweep the high and drop lower, or else it's break the high and go all the way up to this point. Then it's give some reaction, or else might be proper bullish day. Let me check. And the thing is, it's take the buy side. Bison has been taken, price rebalance to the fair value gap. Let me check. Inside this change, I need to be bullish and expecting high prices. If it's flipped, I can think of something else. And you can clearly see the big thing has been taken here. Great. But it was taken a day earlier in ES. Okay, this is ES. I'm not marking anything in ES. I'm just putting the chat like this and I'm just sitting and watching. The core idea of this is just see what's going on. The core idea of this plan is let's just see what's going on. So it's pretty near to this high, but it's not. Right? Okay. So 9:23. Let me check. So 1 hour. I have this fair value, but I just knocked it out. Okay. Let me break down to 5 minutes. Let's take this high, drop all the way down, drop all the way down, respecting this gap and what we got here. 15 minutes, right? Okay, that's fair enough, bro. You know, 15 minutes, what you got here? Drop all the way down. mm-hmm. Value gap, tap. I got change the state of delivery. You got that inversion that's holding the script. You're getting tap and it's pushing back. Okay, let me check what's going to happen after this. This is the internal low of this change the state. So this change the state, this will be our internal low, and this will be our swing low, right? Is there anything? Yeah, that's good. That's 427. 427 low. And it's more, it's kind of more putting lower low, it's kind of putting not higher low. It's pretty, say slightly higher low. Yeah? Change the state of delivery, it's almost there to the target, but here it's not, right? It's almost there to the target, but here it's not. So in 15 minutes, we have this break plus 5 here. Okay, this is our internal. So I want to mark this as my internal. Internal, it's where I can expect the total soup here, right? Where I can expect the total soup here. Okay, let me go to 1 minute. Yeah, this is slightly SMT. Clean change the state of delivery. We got this 15 minutes inversion. And this is our okay. This is what we can focus on. The 5 minutes gap not yet tabbed yet. Okay. It's slightly an SMT, so if it is a valid SMT, it should protect. And we got to change the set of delivery. Boom, 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 boom. And we add this internal here, align with this, coupled with this 5 value, coupled with this 5 minute gap. That's awesome, bro. That's awesome. Oh, our draw is higher. Technically, I'm bullish right now. I should be bullish since we have the clean buy side liquidity. Since we have the clean buy side liquidity at the top, and we have the 1 hour power holding, and we have the tiny little bit SMT formed here. So, and we got to change the state of delivery and with 15 minutes inversion, and the 15 minutes are getting tapped and straight higher. And this is should be in market maker buy model. This should be my internal, and this should be the fair value gap which I'm looking for. If this holding the price, if it gives some price action, I can expect some higher prices. Or else, if it is a valid SMT, if it is a proper SMT, then it should work. Let me check. So now we are in 5 minutes. And this also we got something right. Nice accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Correct. Okay. So pretty much I'm bullish here. Pretty much I'm bullish. All I wanted to see this fair gap to flip. All I wanted to see this fair value gap to flip, not to see higher prices. And I want to see what's going to happen here. If it is sweet, we can expect lower prices. And for this guy, if you go to 5 minutes, you can clearly see this is where the change the state of delivery happened, right? Change the state of delivery. Like, nice displacement. In this displacement, we have the really nice fair value gap here. Not it fell down, nothing happened here. So just went to this fair value gap. If it's get ran through, there is no point for me for us to holding the price to till this point. If it's get ran through, I'll go. Now move to 1 minute because everything is set. Everything has been set. This is our internal. This is some sort of buy side liquidity alignment that happens with fair value gap. Okay, this is our buy side. This is a clean buy side. Clear buy side liquidity. It's clean change set of liquidity. Okay, movement also we have this low. We have this fair value market funded. And I pretty this is a change in the state of delivery internal. Okay. So we can expect this is a high probability level where I can expect this. This is high probability level where I can expect the price to turn around. All I wanted to see if I'm bullish, I wanted to see and if I'm bullish, I wanted to see this fair value gap to get ran through. If this fair value gap get ran through, 99% of the time it will reach this high because this is the draw for me. Okay, it's market open, it's stay higher. Beautiful. Go all the way up. Take this kind of internal liquidities. Reacting that fair value gap. So this is our buy side so far. We are expecting it. We are also inside the high time frame fair value gap. So we don't need to worry about that. Take off for hand and watch. I slightly keep my eye on this fair value gap, but not give much focus to it. By side, I can make this list and rebalance the high rating that fair value gap. I will give some I will keep my eye on this fair value gap, but I am not going to give much importance because according to the narrative, I will expect the draw should be here. So 15 minutes time frame wise, I need to be super bullish. Still the draw it hasn't been taken. So we still have this draw. So this is what I want. I don't want to see any price action in ES. I just want to see is what kind of high slash minting. So this is the market opening range. Drop lower, holding that fair value gap. Start to trade higher. Kan 9:40, yes, 9:40 தான் போகுது அது. So buy side has been taken, so you can clear out this highs. There is no point for to keep that high. Okay. So market open, already we got the change in the state, already rebalance that way, and it's okay. Rebalance this guy, and it's market open, trade all the way up, take this liquidity, beautiful. Let me see what's happening right now. Shooting break a lot. It's a nice break. Beautiful. Hit all the buy side. So good. Let me check what's happening next. Market open, trade all the way up to the buy side. Okay. Let's see. And then high reaching high, every high has been taken. I kind of feel like entering with my impulsion, and I clearly know, and I clearly know this is not my model. I kind of feel like entering with my impulsion, and I clearly know this is not my model, and I want to move it. Right before liquidity, market open, pump all the way up, right before the buy side liquidity, right before the liquidity, wait for the liquidity to take. Otherwise, wait for the price to drop, wait for the price to leave that liquidity and drop down to the willing place like this area to the price where you can anticipate some sort of buy entries, anticipate some sort of good model. Hold on, and perfect necessary. Okay. Got to be patient, bro. Got to be patient. The patience is the only thing which help you to grow as a trader. If you're not patient, if you keep on rushing, keep on finding, creating, this is the place where I where I try to create some entries. This is what's happening. Price market open, price drop. I already price in the market maker buy model, right? And the clear liquidity is there. Wait for the liquidity to take first. Whether let me see whether it's feed the high or it's what's happening right now. Let me check whether it's swept the high, what's happened exactly. Don't go don't go for some sort of entries before it actually printer entry. Got it? Got it, bro. Actually, I was planning to short here. What the fuck is here, bro? This is a fair value, this fair value, this whole I can turn. Yeah, of course you can, but what's the point? If it is inside this range, at least okay, it's already the new 15 minutes candle, bro. First 15 minutes candle closed right here. Nice close, nice close. Okay, 5 minutes. Clean break and close. There is no sweep here. That's the problem with me. Kind of okay. Need to wait then. Okay, nice close in 3 minutes. The value you have created. Nice rejection out of this level so far. In 1 minute, it's kind of accumulating here. And here it's start to create higher. That's the next draw liquidity for me. So so this all kind of liquidity has been taken. A lot of liquidities today has been taken. You can clearly see the break, bro. It's clearly break and closable, bro. That's not something I could trust, right? It's break and closable, and it's kind of respecting that level. It's not something you could trade for and go for short. It's better for you to go for. See the respect, bro. See how beautifully it's respecting this family, right? Wait. There is no rush for me to go for entry. Yeah, I kind of think like this. If it get innocent, you are in a phase like you want to take the trade. You just want to take the trade just because you want to take the trade. But market didn't offer anything. But you are like waiting for this. If this break, if it's inverted means it doesn't matter, bro. It doesn't matter. It's not going to go lower or up. You have to be patient, bro. You have to be patient. The market is not clear. What the fuck? Why the fuck you just press the button? Right? See that. Wait. Market open, pump higher, take this high. Okay, I'll go. Fine. Do you have any entry for me to enter? No. Then what's the point of talking about? See that. How beautifully it's because it's nothing here for me to afraid about, right? It's clearly respect the consequence response, and there is nothing here for me to scared about. Clean liquidity. The next dawn liquidity should be this. Just be patient. Just let that this dawn to take. All you need to see a clean model, not a crappy model, not a crappy model, not a 1 minute tiny model. I need a clean model. Okay. Otherwise, I don't want to enter. It's pretty good. It's pretty good break, and it's getting tapped. Nice respect. So we can target this. All good, but I don't want to buy the market at the buy sell liquidity. Okay, this is not something advisable, but you should keep this thing in mind. Buy sell liquidity taken. So it is not advisable for me to go for buy here. I don't want to go for buy here. There's no point. I can go for it, but it's not my model, right? Most of the time I plan to short here. And that works because it's take the buy side. The 3 minutes gap right here. 5 minutes. I don't find anything so far. There's no gap, nothing. 15 minutes. Okay. So we got this inversion, right? We got this inversion. Here also we got this inversion. Should I try this? So, the thing is, bro, I clearly don't have anything here, but I looking for these tiny gaps, looking for these tiny gaps. It flipped, yeah, it flipped. I entered here, put this tab at this point, and it's give this much back. Why the fuck you're doing this, bro? You clearly know this is not something you can trade. If it is a trade, don't trade. Yesterday offered a fantastic trade, bro. Yesterday market offered a clean trade, A plus plus setup. The day after, market offered a A plus plus setup after all those manipulation. Market offered a clean setups. But what I did, I'm not taking this trade. I'm kind of not waiting for that trade to press, and I'm not waiting for that trade to happen. I'm instead of that, I keep on entering the market and keep on losing my mental capital. By the time market offer a real entry, clean entry, I can decently do that too. Okay, but what can I say? I can decently trade that. But the point what I'm doing is it's not something right. If this guy gets broke, then the game might be different. We can think of exceeding some lower prices because now it's been some sort of swing high and swing low. That high getting swept here, it's not actually. So if this low getting broke instead of that high, if this low getting broke, we can go for the entry. We can target the market opening range. That's good. We have to be patient. We have to be patient. We don't have to keep on thinking like this is my entry. That is your entry should be your entry. What's the point of shorting here, bro? Market is seems like this, bro. Next door it is right here. It's will easily take the target. So after the high, it's kind of accumulating here. Just be patient. Just be patient. This high taken here. This high also taken. Just be patient. Wait for 10 o'clock to open. Like 4 minutes, you can walk. We can see the four of us. 1 hour, the new candle open. New price action. Everything going to be new. 10 o'clock. My pumping higher. My reversing the price. Lot of things will happen, bro. Though you have to be patient. You have to be patient. And by the time you're entering a trade, you should be like, fuck, this is something I should execute. Yes, this is my model. This is my entry model. I patiently wait for this to happen. So I entered it. Currently, what I'm trying to do is, I clearly know, like clearly saying that I'm not waiting for any kind of confidence. I'm not waiting for anything. I'm just open the chat and I'm just waiting for some sort of inversion. I have to change my mind from inversion entry model because the inversion entry model alone fucked me up a lot. So inversion is one sort of confidence. So did I have significant swing high and swing low? If not, don't enter. Don't enter because of inversion. If there is no significant swing high swing low form, if there is no sweep of the first high, if there is no change in state of delivery, if there is no favorable creation, there is no entry, bro. That's the model you should create. That's the model you should focus on. The only thing that made me feel a bit uncomfortable is it's kind of giving some sort of entry after that high. It's kind of accumulating a bit. So at that high, it's printing an SMT here. If it's broke this low, I can expect lower prices. It comes close to 10 o'clock. I don't know what's going to happen at 10 o'clock first 15 minutes. It's going to manipulate higher, stopping out, and then comes lower, and then comes higher, go higher. I don't know. Let me see. 43 seconds, bro. 43 seconds. So after this high, it's a nice accumulation, bro. After this high has been taken, it's based decently accumulated. And you can clearly see this SMT, this high hasn't been taken yet. This high already gets taken. So 15 seconds. Waiting. So the patience will help you a lot in this. The patience, the invalidation criteria will help you a lot. What is his invalidation? It's the base. Okay, 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock kind of doing. 10 o'clock. Okay. Nice close, bro. It's break and close, bro. If we go to 15 minutes, it open up this big fatty fair value. Great. We go to 1 hour, 4 hours. If it's manipulating higher, swap the high, then it's top or it's good. Let me see. Holy fuck. Beautiful bullish candle. See that. Nice break. Patience, bro, patience. Wait, it's an SMT, bro. SMT identified. SMT identified. We gotta change the state. And what we got here? Fair Valley gap created right here. Let me see it's getting tabbed or what. So we got to change the state of delivery, inversion. So let me see what's going to happen. Patience, bro, patience. We got to change the state of delivery. We can enter here to the stop of the high. It's good, but I wait to see the channel they have to create and let it grab the file here. So we got that SMT. Okay, we identified that SMT. We identified the change the state of delivery. Everything is good. We mark the file value here. All I want out to see this file value getting tapped. This is the place where I can enter, right? Right. So take out this line for a moment and see the price. How it's reacting off of the file value. It will tap that for sure. Not getting tapped. So as soon as it's get tapped, can I enter 10 cons here and put the stop at this way and expecting the price to drop. If there is no file value getting tapped, there is no entry growth. If there is no tap of RL gap, there is no entry. This both leave the file value open. If there is no tap, means there is no entry. I don't want to enter the trade. That's it. It's as simple as that. I want to see my entry right here. If I enter here, put the stop with this because it's insert, change the state of the day. I want to enter my position here, put the stop with these highs and expecting to see some lower price. I don't want to see the price reach this spot. That's good. But if there is no tap of the five gap, there is no entry, bro. That's it. It's as simple as that. If this run without me, I'm good. I'm not. I'm not doing anything. Okay. That's all right. Now it's comprehensible. Let me see what's going to happen here. Let me see 13 seconds. Now it's moving to the breaker. Seconds. Okay, getting tapped. Beautiful. I want to see the candle close below so I can enter. Right? Patience. Reaching the travel gap means it doesn't mean it's going to hold the price. It means okay. Did I get anything in 30 seconds? Okay. Wait for the 30-second inversion. Like everything has been tapped. Wait for the 30-second inversion. Consequent encroachment. Respect. Nice respect, bro. So far, beautifully respected. Patience, bro. There's no rush. Beautifully respected. Beautiful respect. It's close. It's straight below. We are good to go. Beautiful respect. Awesome. Awesome. Nope. Nope, nope. We're waiting. We're waiting. We're waiting. We're not entering so far. We're just waiting. We are just waiting to see the price to get back. Not taking that high. Just get back lower. We're just waiting to see this high to get protected. Hmm. We just break and it's inverted this candle. Almost inverted that. It's a big inversion. Go drop lower. It's a big inversion, right? Let me see it's break that high or not. It's a big fatty inversion. Didn't expect this much inversion here. You will see. Okay, in 15 minutes. It's a really nice reaction out of the trial in 15 minutes. It's a really nice reaction. Let me see this high gets protected as the head gets taken. Let me see that now. Think about it, bro. If you're just entering this stuff of your patients, so still this something in place. Still the price not reached this point. Still this value getting tapped and drop lower. There is no point for me to get greed or get feared, get scared of this model. I know my model. I know my model. If this price reach this point, the model is over. There is no point for me to thinking something else. Now I identified this SMT is playing right now. Identified this, it's flipped, and it's getting tabbed, like it's getting flipped. And now identified this file you're not holding. Now identified this file getting tabbed. So it has a higher probability of going higher. It has very good probability of going higher. So you don't need to get panic. Just wait and watch what's going on. If this parallel getting flipped with big displacement, we can expect lower prices. There is no point for us to scare about because it's not reach that high. That's the important point for me. Got it. So I'm waiting for this parallel. What is holding? It's holding. It's getting tapped. It's keep on going higher. I'm okay. I'm expecting this place. I don't want to be like something else. This is the patience. This is the patience I want to develop from you. This is the patience. This is the patience. Just because it's inverted this candle, I don't want to go for buy because it's inverted this candle, it's dropped down, holding, and it's holding this 5 hour gap. I can enter, put the stop at this low, and expecting that should be mid draw, but I don't want to do it because it's already take the buy side. So if the price drop lower and it gives a price action, I can expect that high, but it's already gets taken by market move. So I don't want to be in that continuation model. Like it's kind of a 15 minutes value. It gets hold 1 minute in 50 minutes for all your holding, 1 minute inversion, and that's all you're holding, and getting tapped. Nice model, but he is kind of dropping lower. There is no point for me to go for buy now because it's printed SMT, and still it's it's there. Still this SMT is there. Still this value not get flipped yet. It's holding and pushing lower. So that's the reason why I don't want to engage in this trade for buy. It's not aligned. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. I'm not doing anything then other than waiting. So this is the patience. So this is the patience. This is the fucking patience I had to develop. This should be the first win for the day. First win. The first fucking win for the day. Just because it's reached, just because give the changes state, just because it gives the fire, that doesn't mean it will go lower. But you should need to see some sort of confidence. So I entering my trade, first trade. It's kind of a bit panicking, but I don't have anything to do other than holding this trade because it's beautiful. The assembly still in place, and we got a clean inversion with the change the state of delivery. And I put my stop at the swing high, which is a very good stop. There is no point for the price to reach that spot. I expecting this fair value gap to hold. It's created a fair value gap or what? Yes, it's created a fair value gap. So I like to see this fair value gap to hold and send the price lower. So I can technically move my stop to this point as well, which is just for $400. But right now I don't want to do anything. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting to see. This should be my break-even point. This should be my break-even point. Gotta be patient, though. Still, this will working right. This is part of panicking it. So what is my draw? My draw should be this lows. This is the lows which you can target today. Like like at least these lows, this level here, and this low. This is our target. Let me see how it's going to work. I stayed, bro. There is no point of panicking it. Keep the stop at the right place. There is no point of panicking it. It's nice inversion, nice change the state, nice five value gap. I put the stop at the swing high. I all I need to do is just let the market play. Let me see that one more time. There is no point of panicking it. Patience, patience, patience. Need to be very patient, bro. I was very patient today. That's the first win for me. Change the state of delivery. So technically, my take profit is in the right place. I don't want to miss that. So manipulation, change the state of delivery. I expect the price to drop down to this point. This at least to this. Okay, great. So let me do the counts for a moment. Three. Hmm. Okay, bro. I did my job. I did my job very well. If the market goes lower, it goes lower. Come on, man. Okay, anything good news in 30 seconds so you can trust this model again? I put my stop in the right place. Yeah. I'll expect it will drop down. I don't know where or when it's going to drop down. It's kind of panicking a lot. Come on, boy. You break below that levels. Come on. That's not good. That's not good. Stop that. Stop that. Can I move a bit? Come on, bro. Come on, are you kidding me or what? If it's break below, we are so good. Waiting to see that break below, bro. Come on, bro. We should break this below. Come on, man. You did it. You did it. Who did it? Who did it? Break that candle, bro. Come on. Almost. Almost. Come on. Are you kidding me? You get it's break below. Beautiful, man. I got fucked up. I got fucked up. 190. Shit. 140 plus 190 minus quality. I get the match up of which that is a very okay. Now level electron. Just okay. What's going on right now? But I will give good amount for my patients. At this point, it's good, right? Entry. Entry story ಎಲ್ಲಾನು okay. entry ಎಲ್ಲಾನು okay, but இந்த pyramid avoid பண்ணிடலாம். At least tally place close on close ஆகி 30 seconds close ஆகிடுச்சு. 30 seconds close கிடைச்சது. பார்த்துக்கலாம் எடுத்து அந்த pyramid avoid பண்ணிடலாம். Next plus இது 8 டைம் போட்டுருக்கலாம். It's okay. $100 profit, last $100 loss occurred. Stop delivering. Okay. Not big loss, just 1% down. So it's a good entry, right? What we can do, bro, we just did exactly what we should do, but it's fucked up. Let me wait and see. Fifteen minutes மேலாண்டி சரியான கால் பண்றேன் சொல்லி சொல்லிட்டு Voy poniendo el canal bye bye bye. What the fuck is this, bro? What the fuck is this? What kind of market it is? Damn. Shoot. Is there any data or what? 940. I don't know what it is, bro. How can I trade this? 15 minutes. Drop all the way down. I'm like, if it is invest, we are good. What the fuck is this? I don't know, bro. Accept the losses, bro. You can't do anything about it. Accept it. Accept it and see the probability. Thank God I didn't do anything crazy. ஒர்க்கா ஒர்க்கா
ஒர்க் இல்ல ஆனா அங்கதான் போறேன். டெஸ்ட்
ஓ என்ன டெஸ்ட்
அது வந்துட்டு எவ்ரி இயர் வந்துட்டு
ஓகே patience bro. Patience will help you out. How the hell it's really good trades, but what happened is you end up taking this low. This is not. Instead, it's invert this candle. Instead, it's inverted and respecting that consequent growth. As soon as you see the respect, as soon as you have to close it, bro. I don't have that much. I don't say I don't have that much knowledge. I do have that knowledge, but the problem is it's drop all the way down, swept all these engineered liquidities. If it's break and close above, I'm bullish. Okay. If it's break and close above, I'm bullish. And I can expect the price to reach that high, right? Don't go for anything too. Take the high. Let me see what's going to happen. If the price close above this range, you can be bought the markets put the stop at the low target and this liquidity for sure. இதெல்லாமே பண்ணியிருந்தேன் நெட்டிங் பார்ட் நேற்றுக்கு பண்ணியிருந்துருக்கலாம் வந்து சூப்பரான என்ட்ரி சூப்பரான இது அதுல மாட்டல அதில் மாட்டல இந்த கிட்டத்தட்ட வாங்கிட்டேன் பிரமிட் பண்ணாம இருந்தோம்னா அந்த ட்ரேடை ஈஸியாக க்ளோஸும் பண்ணியிருக்கலாம் ஏன்னா இந்த இடத்துல தெரிஞ்சிருச்சு இந்த இடத்துல இந்த ஃபேவர் இன்வெர்ட் ஆயிட்டு திருப்பி வந்து அந்த கான்சிக்வன்ட் கோச் ரெஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம் திருப்பி வந்து பிரேக் ஆயிடும் ஓகே 1 மினிட்ல இது பிரேக் ஆயிடும் பட் இட்ஸ் கான்சிக்வன்ட் ரெஸ்பெக்ட் ஆனவங்க யூ ஷுட் க்ளோஸ் இட் இன் சைட் திஸ் ரெஸ்பெக்ட் ஆயிடுது இன்வெர்டர் உள்ள வந்து இல்ல ரெஸ்பெக்ட் ஆகி திருப்பி மேல பம்ப் ஆகுதா க்ளோஸ் பண்றதுல வரும் the market is bad if you want to see lower prices I like to see this inverted if not it's going to be fucked up இது வரைக்கும் பீஸ் அந்த இடத்துக்கே போலாம். கலக்க பீஸ் அந்த இடத்துல இந்த இடத்துல எடுத்துட்டு இந்த ஸ்டாப் போட்டுருங்க. இது வரைக்கும் பீஸ் அந்த இடத்துக்கே போலாம். இதெல்லாம் மயிலப்புறம் அந்த மாதிரி ஆயிட்டது. Hello. Tell me.
Allô? Ok. Boleh begini ya, kalau saya nggak turun dengan itu. Aku, aku juga kurang dia. Kalau itu dia setia. Itu dia setia. Hah? Ini
I lost the circle. I said, yeah, the last the circle will win. When the last of a cartoon. The money to last a cartoon, not tighten them. Please percentage, guys. What am I capacity? Okay. Maybe liquidity is previously higher. Sharing and the list, right? Sharing and the list. I could say, here it's a good thing on that. Something data. One wall of online full barrister. In the village. Convert. A consequence. More can you get a place of the type visa. Typing. Yeah, 15 minutes around the plan. A consequence and plan. Never file with the keep on editing over. Keep on editing. Account manipulation. 3 minutes and the innovation. 3 minutes and the good relation can do the villain. Making one among the other chili. And then she had actually upon the Ilano 1 minute later until the thing. The liquid is part the two Netflix used to get 100 upon another bit like the liquid is super cheap. You can change the shade of delivery. Not able to manage it. She open out the cheese with another. I had another trade, sorry. That trade. ஒரு கிலோ எடுத்துக்கிறேன். Sì, tensione, mentre che stanno per conto di variare. It's perfect. I like the example. Creative speed, change the state. Alarm or parallel discrimination, love that and start the failure. In the longer duty path, it hold down, it I put it's like all about vision to really put you expression. As a result, takes nice reaction, probably nice reaction. So expand and then start to start with this love. Both the in the turn break connection, break it close, there is no speed, break and close. So you can expect some hard cases. So see it great, nice displacement with a high open drop down, nice respect. The sounds from more emotion with a nice respect. 5 minutes, 30 seconds, we get a clean innovation. Mm. Here's my day, right? 30 seconds go on the list. Innovation, boom, validate, shape, change the state of delivery that can get the not just putting on the surrounding your opinion. Tension, honestly. You can't do the single number, like, that it can become a Patience. சின்ன அர்த்தம் அந்த இடத்துல அது கொஞ்சம் அதோட நேரத்துக்கு போட்டா வந்து சொல்லி இன்னைக்கு நேரத்துக்கு பெரிய ஹைட் நிறைய பார்த்து பயந்து க்ளோஸ் பண்ண போனேன் எல்லாரையும் முடிச்சு நீங்க நிறைய பயப்படாம ஒன் மினிட் பிரேக்கரே பண்ணாங்க பிரேக்கர்ல ஹோல்ட் ஆகிட்டு டேப் அடிச்சுட்டு எக்லிபிரியம் அடிச்சுட்டு போயிட்டே இருந்துட்டு நீ போட்டு வச்சுட்டு பார்க்கணும் எக்லிபிரியம் லெவல் அதே ஹோல்ட் ஆகுதுன்னா அப்புறம் எப்படி இங்கே வரும் எக்லிபிரியம் லெவலே ஹோல்ட் ஆயிருக்குன்னா ரெண்டாவது பிரேக் ஆகி கிளீனா க்ளோஸ் ஆயிருக்கு பேரலியர் இங்கே ஓப்பன் ஆயிருக்கு 50% வந்து எல்லாமே ரிஜெக்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படியே ஆப்வியஸா ட்ரா மேலதான் இதுதான் ட்ரா 50 உள்ள வந்து கீப் ஆன் ரிஜெக்டிங் ஃபைனலா ஒரு மேனிபுலேஷன் ஸ்வீப்பர் கீப் ஆன் ரிஜெக்டிங் ஃபைனலா ஒரு மேனிபுலேஷன் ஸ்வீப்பர் இந்த இடத்துல என்ட்ரி எடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா கூட இதையும் ட்ரை பண்ணிடலாம் இது கிளீனா ரைட் லிக்விடிட்டி எடுத்துட்டு ட்ராப் டவுன் ஸோ இந்த லிக்விடிட்டி எடுக்காம ட்ராப் டவுன் எதுக்குன்னா ரீபேலன்ஸ் பண்றதுக்கு வந்துட்டு இருக்கு யூ கேன் கிளியர்லி see in 5 minutes வெயிட் அப்படியே வந்து நைஸ் ரியாக்ஷன் பிரேக்கர்ல டேப் அடிச்சு நைஸ் ரியாக்ஷன் ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் கேண்டில் என்ட்ரி ஸ்டார்ட் வித் திஸ் தட் would be great இல்லை இந்த இடத்துல லிமிட் ஆர்டர்ஸ் போட்டிருந்தாலும் கிரேட் சின்ன பிரேக் ட்ராப் ஆகி இந்த இடத்துல வந்து லிமிட் ஆர்டர்ஸ் போட்டு ஸ்டாப்பிங் மெசேஜ் நைஸ் ரியாக்ஷன் இன்வர்ஷன் பிக் டிஸ்பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் இவ்வளோ பெரிய அதாவது இந்த இடம் ஸ்வீப் ஆகல இந்த ஹையோ இந்த லோ ஹை இந்த ஹையோ ஹை ஸ்வீப் ஆக கிடையாது பிரேக் ஆகி கிளீனா க்ளோஸ் ஆயிருக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் பூம் அடிச்சு மேல போயிட்டே இருக்கு இஸ் நோ பாயிண்ட் ஃபார் மீ டு லுக் ஃபார் ஷார்ட் நான் ஷார்ட் பண்ண பார்த்துக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன் அது எவ்வளவு பெரிய முட்டாள்தானே தெரியுமா மாதிரி இங்க ஷார்ட் பண்ண பார்த்துட்டு இருக்காரு ஒன் ஆஃப் த ஸ்டூபிலிட்டி biggest stupidity which I'm trying to do bullish market base செல் பண்ண பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன் அதை எழுதணும் முதல்ல yesterday I scared about my deep time frame FPG but today I tried to hold the one year period less efficient. Get reversed with M5 M3 tap with yes M5 divide M5 get it. So the idea it was just for better திருப்பி லாஸ் பண்ணி இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு சான்ஸ் கிடைச்சது எனக்கு ஒரு சான்ஸ் கிடைச்சது கொஞ்சம் இந்த இடம் வந்து ஹோல்ட் பண்ணி நாளைக்கு வச்சு பார்த்தேன் பார்த்தா உடனே க்ளோஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு பிரேக் க்ளோஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு பிரேக் பண்ணி வச்சிட்டேன் அடிச்சுட்டு போயிட்டு அடிச்சுட்டு திருப்பி வந்து இன்டர்னல் ஸ்வீப் ஆகி பிரேக் ஆச்சா என்ன இருக்கு சார் உங்க வீட்டுல பசங்க காதி இருக்கா ஏதாச்சும் சேஞ்ச் அதுக்கு எதுவுமே இல்லை திருப்பி வந்து லிஸ்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் பார்த்தா இங்கே some accumulation sweat like clean break இதான் பயப்படுறான் கீப் அமௌண்ட் அது ஒரு பிரச்சனை இன்னொன்னா பிரச்சனைனா keep on thinking to short the market
നമുക്കിപ്പോ നോർമൽ അങ്ങനെയല്ലോ
because
നോർമൽ
market high Then 10-16 FEG. Okay. 115 market open FEG worked. Did you park is what the fuck control? That guy. എന്നത്തെ ഞാൻ കേട്ടില്ലേ 1 minute അത്രയും കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ക്ലീനാ ചെയ്യുന്ന സെറ്റപ്പ് നൈസ് ഡിസ്പ്ലേസ്മെന്റ് ഇപ്പൊ ഫുള്ളா പ്ലഗ് பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன் பிரைஸ் டிஸ்கவுண்ட்ல போயிடுச்சு இதெல்லாம் ஆல்ரெடி ரெண்டாவது கிளீன் சேஞ்ச் ஸ்டேட் நைஸ் ரிவர்ஸ் நைஸ் புல் பேக் நீட்டா ஜஸ்ட் டேப் பண்ணிட்டு போய் சார் இங்கெல்லாம் நல்லா சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கு இதெல்லாம் அக்செப்ட் பண்ணல ஜஸ்ட் டேப் பண்ணிட்டு போயிடுச்சு ரெண்டாவது எதுவுமே கிடையாது எதுவுமே கிடையாது நல்லாப்பா என்ன இருக்கும் செல் பண்றதுக்கு என்ன ஹை சிங்கிங் ஹை லோ எதுவுமே nothing is there for big of a sell. There's a clean manipulation swept all those rows, still 15 minutes holding. We got this 30 minutes inversion. That's good. Displacement drop down. Again, it's drop all the way down. Beautiful 20 minutes, but clean up break a type of back up. Swing down again. Swing again. So we don't have anything in this swing. இவ்வளவு அழகான aspects சொல்றீங்க இவ்வளவு அழகான aspect clean breaker with இது இவ்வளவு வந்து nice respect clean respect 1 minute the current didn't get the button 50%. We got a break. We got a break. Then a circuit at the board, accumulation, sweat, we'll be able to we entered here. So that's accumulation, sweat, it's breakable. We entered here. Targeting as soon as it's breakable, we break on the break. Particle segmentation, it's okay. I guess a bit decent approach next to cause, but sorry, I'm market. So I'm just kind of fighting. So I just want to close the trade for today. It's closing it with loss. Just one trade, nothing much. Two trades, one trade ended up losing. Second trade ended up breaking even. Third trade, the trade which is supposed to take, which is buy, I ended up not taking it. It's supposed to be a buy entry, but unfortunately I didn't couldn't identify it because it is not damn clear. Yeah, it's tap 5 minutes breaker for 3 minutes fair value gap, 5 minutes fair value gap, nice respect, and let's keep on moving higher towards the buy side liquidity. But I was focusing on 1 minute, and in 1 minute I don't find it. Yeah, it's small, but I didn't take this kind of entries. I don't get any inversion there. Honestly, in 30 seconds I got that inversion, but in 1 minute I don't get any inversion, and I don't find a proper model over there. I know market is going to go up towards that high, but I was like, rather than shorting it, rather than buy the market without any confidence, like just because it reached the fair value gap, I was not like to do that. I'm just willing to hold, see something good, at least the first leg swipes kind of thing, but nothing happened, nothing done clear. It's just pumping up and up and up and up towards my target. All good. All good. All good, bro. Yeah. Same fucking place I can hear also. So this is nothing. We got an inversion. We got what? We got our SMT. It will swept drop all the way down, swept this liquidity. Then what happened? We got to change the state of delivery. We got this inversion. Boom. Leave the liquidity above. Leave the liquidity open. And what happened next? Try to take this liquidity price drop down. Maybe if there is some fair value play, yeah, drop down to this gap. In 5 minutes, you can identify a gap. No. Let's drop all the way down. You can clearly see it's nothing here for me. It's leave the liquidity at the top and it's we pullback. There is no fair value gaps, nothing really, right? It's just kind of weekly give pullback. And as soon as it's reached the decent spot, as soon as it reaches some decent spot, it's this is that. It's an order block or something. Yes, it's an order block. Bro. Great. Bro, last term plus candle. It's closed above. Drop down to that order block. Drop down to that order block is order block. Started this place. There is no more getting tablets. Keep on going. Fuck. Oh god, no.